Hello everyone. Have you ever seen a biryani like this? This is a stuffed chicken biryani, curry, where the biryani is stuffed inside the chicken skin and cooked on dum. It was a really interesting experience to make. The first step is to remove the chicken skin completely without tearing it. To do this, and make a small slit on the back of the chicken and carefully separate the skin. 2. Gently pull out the wings while keeping the wingtips attached so the chicken maintains its natural shape. Next, work on the breast side and then move to the legs. Carefully separate the skin around the thighs and slowly pull it down to the end of the drumsticks. Quarter cut near the feet to remove the skin while preserving its shape. Debone the breast and leg meat. Don't throw away the bones. We'll use them to prepare a rich chicken stock, which will be used to cook the rice. For half chicken, I used 175 grams of Jeerakasala rice, the famous biryani rice from Kerala, and cooked it with 425 milliliters of the chicken stock. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel to support. Meanwhile, prepare a Hyderabadi-style biryani marinade. Using all these ingredients, mix everything well and marinate the chicken meat. Begin before stuffing. Brush the inside of the chicken skin with a little ghee. Start filling the legs and breast area with the marinated chicken. Then add the cooked rice, 3 boiled quail eggs, a layer of fried cashews and raisins, and some fresh herbs. Finish with another layer of rice and carefully close the chicken skin. Tie it securely with kitchen twine so it stays closed while roasting and doesn't break when lifting it from the baking tray. Also apply some ghee outside of the chicken skin and roast it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And that's it. An amazing stuffed chicken biryani, cooked on dum inside the chicken skin. Yummy. I hope you enjoyed watching. Good, thank you.